push the limits of what we do in all the directions. Even higher, even more resistant, even smaller, even faster, even further. Then nature claimed its space, has demanded our attention, and left us to think about the only limit that we hadn't pushed. Respect. We have always known that nature drives us towards a better future, and we have accepted the challenge, built along the years the right product, found the right partners, and driven the change to make it possible. Today, more than ever, we know that our vision built respect for the business, for people, for the environment. Our commitment is to reduce emissions and make the activities of our partners profitable. Our ready-made solutions, natural gas and biomethane, offer the way to decarbonization now. Our goal is a sustainable ecosystem that is good for everyone, including nature. Drive the change. Be unstoppable.